Hello YouTube, this is Drew with another dash cam drive through a town in South Carolina today. We are in the birthplace of one of my great-grandfathers, Scranton, South Carolina. Scranton is in Florence County, basically a stone's throw from Lake City on US 52, and that's what we are driving today. I have been through Scranton one other time. It's a very small town, as you'll see. And you really kind of got to be going there to get there, or be going from Lake City to Florence, which I haven't done before. So that would be your two reasons really to go through Scranton. And the other time I went down a different road and I saw different things. So I didn't even know this part of Scranton was there, I guess. Anyway, Scranton has kind of got a famous restaurant called the Schoolhouse Barbecue, which you'll see in the final few seconds of this video. It's right on the outer limits of town. They have a town website, not much information on it. And the population is 655 according to Google as of 2023. But I don't really know any history to share about Scranton other than, like I said, my great-grandfather is from here. There's a schoolhouse right there to the right. And that was Scranton, South Carolina. Also, those fence posts mark the boundaries of the town, both entering and exiting.